The Republic of China Armed Forces, commonly known as the Taiwanese Armed Forces, are the armed forces of the Republic of China. Until the 1970s, the military's primary mission was to retake mainland China from the Communist People's Republic of China through Project National Glory. The military's current foremost mission is the defense of the islands of Taiwan, Penghu, Kinmen, Matsu, and other ROC islands against a possible military invasion by the People's Liberation Army of the PRC, which is seen as the predominant threat to the ROC in the ongoing dispute over the political status of Taiwan. The Republic of China Armed Forces is the national military of the ROC. It is known as Kuo Tu Chun 1. When the ROC was in power in mainland China, its army was the National Revolutionary Army until 1947. Other names during the period included the Chinese Nationalist Army, or the KMT Army. The nationalization of the armed forces in 1947 detached the Kuomintang's direct control of the armed forces, and it became a national defense force. Due to the institution of civilian control of the military and the 1947 Constitution, it was later renamed the Republic of China Armed Forces. The earliest use of the name, Republic of China Armed Forces, can be found in the first Constitution of the Republic of China in the Bayam government in 1923. The Republic of China's army was known as the National Revolutionary Army, which was founded on mainland China in 1925. The National Revolutionary Army was the military arm of Kuomintang from 1925 until 1947 in the Republic of China. It also became the regular army of the ROC during the KMT's period of party rule beginning in 1928. However, with the promulgation of the Second Constitution of the Republic of China in 1947 and the formal end of the KMT party state, the National Revolutionary Army was renamed the Republic of China Armed Forces, while the bulk of its forces formed the Republic of China Army. The army was nationalized and thus no longer belonged to the KMT. The ROC Armed Force relocated to the island of Taiwan after the end of the second phase of the Chinese Civil War in 1949. The Land Force was established in 1924. It can be traced back to the establishment of the Whampoa Military Academy in Canton by 1911. Revolutionary leader Sun Yat-sen and built as the National Revolutionary Army. The military arm of KMT, Whampoa Military Academy, was relocated to Fengshan District, Kaohsiung City, Taiwan after 1949. It was re-established as the Republic of China Military Academy, and modeled after the United States Military Academy at West Point, New York. The Navy of the Qing dynasty was first exposed to Western influence. With the establishment of the Republic of China in 1912, many former Qing naval officers agreed with the revolutionary ideal of Xinhai and joined the ROC Navy. However, with warlordism continuing to plague the territory of the Republic of China, the development of the Republican Navy was somewhat slow. Furthermore, there were internal conflicts during its development. During the Second Sino-Japanese War, most of the ROC Navy was destroyed by the Imperial Japanese Navy. In 1946, the Republic of China Naval Academy was established in Shanghai. It was relocated to Taiwan in 1949. The ROC Marine Corps was formed from the former Navy Sentry Corps in December 1914. It used to have two divisions, 66th and 99th Divisions, in size, when its doctrine focused on retaking mainland China. Since its transition to a defensive posture, the ROCMC has been downsized from about 38,000 active personnel to only 9,000. In 2004, the ROCMC redeployed a brigade near the Taipei area to defend against a possible PLA decapitation strike. The ROC Marine Corps' official motto is, Yong Yuan Zhong Cheng, modeled after the U.S. Marine Corps' Semper Fidelis. In 1920, Sunday Yat-sen established the Aviation Ministry in Canton. But due to the division of the southern warlords, it was later dismantled. In 1929, Chiang Kai-shek established the aviation class in the ROC Military Academy. It was relocated to Hangzhou in 1931, following the outbreak of the Second Sino-Japanese War. The ROC Air Force was responsible for shooting down many Japanese Air Force fighters. After 1949, the ROC Air Force Academy was relocated to Taiwan Island. The ROC Military Police was established in 1914 when Sun Yat-sen assumed the provisional presidency. It was established as a police guard and to maintain discipline within the army. In 1932, the nationalist government established the Command Work of Military Police, and the Service Procedure for the Military Police, which established the military police system. In 1936, the Military Police Academy was founded in Nanjing. The school relocated to Taiwan after 1949. In the 21st century, as the PRC vastly increased its defense spending, the Republic of China registered the lowest growth in defense spending of the major Asia-Pacific powers. These cutbacks were felt as vital land-based systems were cut.